how's it going? I hope everybody is well. Today we've got another unboxing and it is my Degustabox. For those of you that don't know, Degustabox is a food subscription box. I think it is $12.99 a month. And I've got a code if you want to use it. I'll put it on the screen and down in the box, where I think you get £5 off your first box, which is what I did for my first box, and I've just kept having it ever since. If you use my code, I will get points. If I can get 100 points, then I will get a free box. So yeah, I say this in all of my Degustabox videos. If you are someone that shops around for bargains and don't like to try new things, then you're probably not going to like this. But if you're like me and you do one shop a week in a specific supermarket, then and you like to try different products, then this is probably going to be something that you'll enjoy. So even if you just get your first one with the £5 off and then cancel, it's worth a go because it might be something really good. I've not had one that I haven't liked yet. So every month it comes in this big box and it's delivered by DPD. And you get a text the day before it's come in saying your order will be delivered tomorrow, and then on the morning you get a text saying your driver will be with you between, and it gives you an hour time slot with like really random, like 11:36 and 12:36. So I'm trying to get into it. So yeah, just stuck it in my own hair. Oh, not used to my new filming setup yet. So it looks like this, and it's got brown paper and it says open meat, eat meat, enjoy. And I'm going to put it up here so I can just pull things out. So every month you get your little card which tells you everything that's on it, and on the other side it normally gives you a recipe of some description. So I'm just going to put it here and I pull things out, and you get vouchers. So these are some vouchers I've got, and the vouchers are generally things that are in the box. So this is Mr. Lee's noodles, premium ingredients, certified low in sugar and gluten free with absolutely no nasties, Hong Kong street beef and dragon fire vegetables, and the 20% off voucher. And then cheese strings, snack. Oh, the girls love these. These like, you get cheese and crackers and then fruit or chocolate and stuff. So they're quite good as little vouchers. The first thing I'm pulling out is this ginormous bag of mini eggs. And this is Smarties and Milky Bar mini eggs. This is perfect for family sharing. It's just for me. Oh, I'm not seeing these. That these are just like normal mini eggs, but it says these are £3 a bag. And it just says Smarties and Milky Bar mixed mini eggs. So yeah, that's super exciting. I love little things like this. Next up, I've got some noodles, which is the ones that I just mentioned, the Mr. Lee's Hong Kong street beef. And it's like a posh pot noodle. And this is $2.99, which I would never, ever, 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 ever pay for a pot noodle. And I'm sure it's delicious. It sounds lovely. Broccoli, orange blossom, honey, ginger, and Chinese 5 spice. It sounds lovely. Gluten free, so I'll probably keep this for when my brother comes round. I would not ever pay £2.99 for this, but I like to be able to try things like this, so that's awesome. What have we got next? What are you? Tenzing natural energy, 6 key ingredients sourced from nature. So I think this is like an energy drink. Himalayan rock salt, green coffee, lemon juice, guarana, green tea, and beet sugar. This is £1.19. 55 calories a can and nothing artificial. Ben will like to try this. I won't have it because it's Slimming World and I don't like to drink my calories, although this would only be 2 sins, so I might try a little tiny bit, but I generally don't have caffeine or energy drinks. Like I've never had a Red Bull, so probably wouldn't have that, but Ben will like that. What are you? Oh, the girls will be super excited for this. Look, BFG apple juice. These are £1.29. Boasting the beloved cookbook characters Matilda, BFG and Charlie and Chocolate Factory, the wholesome Roald Dahl range encourages kids' thirst for reading whilst keeping them hydrated. Vegan approved and low in calories. This gloriumptious drinks contain no GMOs, glutens or added sugars. So that's really cool. The girls will have one of those for their tea tonight. And they're £1.29. See, these boxes are like, there's loads, I've always got loads of gluten-free stuff, and there's always loads of stuff that Ben likes. So this is Encona, and this is a Carolina Reaper chili, which just sounds ridiculous. Our hottest chili sauce. I will not eat this. You could not pay me to eat this, but Ben loves chili sauce. He has got so many. This is £1.49. This is something I would totally buy for Ben, because whenever I see a new chili sauce, I have to buy him one. But this one looks terrifying. So yeah, has it got gluten in it? Let's have a look. Water, tomatoes, vinegar. I think even my brother can try this one. Free from gluten. Yeah, Josh can try this one as well. My brother will be super excited because he likes hot things that burn his arse after he's eaten them. So we'll see if that burns his arse. What are you? This is a flapjack, a limited flapjack, Hafervol flapjack limited Lebuction. 100% natural oat bars with no added sugar or cheap stuffings or chemicals. What flavour are you? Cinnamon, ginger and clove. That sounds gross, but again, the kids will like that. I don't like cinnamon, and I know I'm in the minority with that, but that looks like a really nice flapjack. Oh, I love flapjack. It's one of my favourite things. What are you? Oh my god, this is literally a box for Ben. This is granola. Ben is obsessed with granola. I also love granola, but I can't justify the sugar in them. This is, how much are you? This is £2.59 for granola, which is just ridiculous. And I know granola is delicious, but it just seems so expensive. Shreddies Max Granola is a delicious combination of oat clusters with shreddy pieces. I'm opening it to see what it's like. Look, this looks so good. You can see all the pieces of shreddies along with really big chunks of granola. That looks amazing. Oh, I want to eat that. And malted cereal pieces. I might have to try that. Made with 74% whole grain, high in fibre and a good source of protein to maximise your morning. That's perfect. What else have we got? What are you? Pineapple and passion fruit, no added sugar, Ribena. This is, where are you? £2.49. 15 calories per serving. Available to buy from March. Ribena and passion fruit is the perfect tropical accompaniment to meals. Let's have a little sniff. Ooh, I can smell that even though it's sealed. That's really strong. So I don't know if that's double concentrate or what, but that is super. It smells lovely. So I'm going to try some of this later. And again, I wouldn't buy this, but it will definitely get used in this house. And then my final thing, get rid of this box out of the way. What are you? I think this is a pasta sauce. Kirio, Parmigiano sauce, tomato sauce with Parmesan, I think. And I do buy sauces like this quite a lot, and I separate them out into little individual portions and freeze them because sometimes the girls ask for orange pasta and I can't be bothered to make bolognese. So this is a really good alternative. This is £2 and be the first in the UK to try the Cirio Premium peeled plum tomatoes in 2 new pasta sauces made with 100% top Italian ingredients for a genuine and tasty dish. Simply heat through until piping hot and add to cooked pasta. And there's 2 flavours. We've got the tomato and parmesan. So yeah, that is awesome. I will separate this out and freeze it because the girls will eat that. And I'll probably do like 6 dinners for the girls between them. So that's really good. I'm really happy with this. This is the thing I'm most excited about. I'm going to open one now because I haven't had any lunch and I am Hank Marvin. Oh, it's so cute. Look, these are like the prettiest little mini eggs ever. Oh my goodness. Look. How cute are they? I'm having an orange one. Oh my god. Don't that orange tomatoes just taste so much better than all the other ones. Let me try this one. Yeah. Nice milky bar. I'm not sharing these. Don't tell Ben I've got these. He can have all the other stuff, but I'm not sharing them. And for Cinnamon World, 5 eggs is just over 4 cents. So that's not bad at all. So that was my Degustabox for March 2018. I really liked it. But then I like all my Degustaboxes because I'm greedy and I like food. So if you are also someone that enjoys trying new food, then maybe give it a go. I'll leave a link where you don't have to use my code. So if you don't want to get a discount or give me the points, that's cool. But get involved. You will also get a code as well. If you do use my code, then when you sign up, you'll then get a code to give to your friends, or via videos if you do that too. But yeah, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.